In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the uncover transition on your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your PowerPoint presentation, select the transition tab, and then select the second of the two slides you want to input the transition in between. And then there should be an item that says uncover. Go ahead and select that. And if you don't see it, you may have to click the drop down underneath of it to see additional options. And you can also adjust the effect options from left to right, top to bottom, over here on the right by selecting that button down here. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.